Light equals life. It's the one thing we can't live without. The rays of the sun unite all life on our planet. They allow plants to flourish, herbs to grow, and life to continue. Fiskars Kitchen Garden will bring that light to your kitchen, so you can enjoy the taste of fresh herbs all year round. Natural food, its origins, and even growing your own are major consumer drivers today. Today's consumers know what's good for them. They want fresher, healthier, and natural food in their daily diet. Herbs make all the difference. They're nature's own way of making any meal a genuine taste experience. Yet in the Nordics, herbs won't always have it easy. That's where Fiskars Kitchen Garden comes in. Consumers want herbs and salads to last longer, and Fiskars Kitchen Garden is your chance to join the success story. It's a simple and easy way to have fresh herbs at home. And it's your opportunity to own a new, emerging category with a truly game-changing, must-have product. Keeping your herbs alive and thriving will be easier than ever before, thanks to Fiskars Kitchen Garden. Herbs need but a few things to stay well: nutrition, moisture, and light. The clear protective cover keeps herbs protected from cold and draft. The unique central lighting solution helps every herb shoot thrive. It fits 4 multifunctional herb pots, so you can mix and match according to your culinary preferences. It's completely silent. There are no fans or pumps. Its contemporary design makes even an attractive serving tray. And because the tray is dishwasher safe, it's easy to maintain. The optional adjustable LED lighting lets you fine-tune the growing conditions for each type of herb for an even longer lifespan. Imagine that. Fresh herbs ready for the plate, and great tasting food the whole year through. That's what you get with Fiskars Kitchen Garden, the taste of life and life. And herbs so fresh they could have been picked today, because they were. Fiskars Kitchen Garden, coming in autumn 2013.